Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to create a very simple table with the array of objects in JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's have basic HTML structure here. Link to a style sheet. Add the script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one div element, one button. Let's make it get. We need one more div element. Give it an ID of table. Save it. Go to style sheet, select body element, text align will be center, select div element, display will be inline block, select button element, display will be inline block, padding will be 10 pixel and 20 pixel. Select the table, display will be block, margin top will be around 20 pixels. We are going to have th and td element, so let's style them here. So border will be 1 pixel solid black and padding will be 5 pixels. Save it. Now go to JavaScript file, select the button element, select the table. Let's make it my table. We'll select it by the ID. Great. ID will listen to the button, which is click. Be the handler function. Now we need an array of objects. So it will be employees. So let's add the first object here. So name will be James, age will be 21, country will be United States. Just copy and paste it 2-3 times. Great. Let's delete this because it's quite lengthy. Let me format it properly. Now copy and paste. Great. Let's make it Ronnie. Let's make it Peter. Let's make it Marks. Make it 31, make it 58, make it 20. This will be United Kingdom. This will be Canada. And this will be Spain. Add comma here also. We need headers. So as you know, headers will be name, age and country. Now we'll create a table element here with the help of document.createElement table. Now we need a header row. Same logic will go here, but the element will be, sorry, it should be create element, not query selector. Now we need to loop through this array. So it will be headers dot for each. Now we need bunch of th elements. So it will be header document dot create element th. We need some text, so we'll create a text node with the help of document.createElement. Sorry, it should be create text node, not create element. So text will be this header which we are getting here, that is basically name, age and country. Now we'll simply append this using append child method. Now we need to append this header row, so it will be table dot append child header row. Okay, now we need to append this table to this my table element, so it will be my table dot append child this table. Great. Also we need to append this header to the row, which I forgot, so it will be header row dot append child this header. So this is the piece of code for the header only. Now just save it, open this file in the browser, click on get. So it's not working. Let me see what's the issue. Actually we are having header here and we are also defining a variable by the name of header. So let's make it header text. Same goes here, header text. Okay, save it, click, and this is the output. So we got our header row. Now let's work on this data to display it in the table. So we'll loop through this employees object, array of objects. So it will be employees dot for each, like this. So we need a row, so we'll make use of document.create element to create the tr element. Now we need data from each of the object, so here we'll make use of object.values method to get all these values from each of the object, name, age, and the country. So we'll pass it here. Then we'll loop through the data. Now we'll get the text here. So same piece of code we are going to use. We just need to modify this a bit. So now we'll have here cell, now the header, and it will be td not th. Okay, it should be text. Also it should be cell dot append child, and it should be row dot append child, and this one should be cell. Okay, we need to append this row, so it will be table dot append child this row. That's it. So we'll get rest of the rows from this function. Okay, now just save it, go to browser, click, and this is the output. So you need this piece of code to create headers, and you need this piece of code to create rest of the rows. So that's it. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.